Welcome to Radiate, the authentic style podcast where confidence meets color and beauty begins with authenticity. I'm Kathy McKenzie, and this season we're going beyond the palette, exploring how the colors you wear can awaken the woman you were always meant to be. Because your best look isn't about keeping up, it's about showing up in full color. Welcome back to Season 2 of Radiate, the Authentic Style Podcast. I'm Kathy McKenzie, wardrobe color consultant and style coach, and I'm so glad you're here. This season, we're going beyond the palette, and we're going to explore how color doesn't change how you look, it changes how you live. Because color is energy, and what you wear, you feel. So the spark that started it all, let me tell you a story about that. A few years ago, a woman came to me for her color analysis. We'll call her Marilyn. She said, "Kathy, I feel invisible. I used to love getting dressed, but now I just reach for this same beige sweater every day. I don't feel like me anymore." During her session, we discovered she was a spring, warm, radiant, full of golden undertones. When she tried on coral and soft turquoise, her whole face changed. Her eyes brightened, her skin glowed, and for the first time in a long time, she smiled at a reflection. Then she said something I'll never forget. "I feel like someone turned the lights back on." That's the energy of color. It's not just surface deep, it's soul deep. So, what does color do to us? We often think of color as visual, something to match or coordinate, but color is actually vibrational energy. Each hue carries a frequency, one that interacts with our own energy field. That's why certain colors make you feel alive, while others drain you. Think about it. Have you ever felt instantly lighter in a soft pink blouse? Or powerful and grounded in navy? Or comforted by warm camel or cream tones? It's because your body responds emotionally before your mind even registers it. Studies in color psychology show that warm tones, corals, golds, peaches, can lift your mood, while cooler tones like blues and greens promote calm and focus. But the real magic happens when you wear your tones, the ones that harmonize with your skin, your eyes, and your natural warmth or coolness. When that harmony clicks, your whole energy field becomes congruent. You look aligned. You feel aligned. That's the quiet power of color resonance. So what is the connection between color and confidence? Here's the beautiful part. Color is a tool for confidence. Confidence isn't loud. It's quiet certainty. That feeling of being at ease in your own skin. When you wear your right colors, you're not forcing or performing. You're simply being. That's why I always say the right color palette doesn't change who you are. It reveals who you've always been. So when you choose a blouse in your season's red or the lipstick that makes your eyes sparkle, it's not vanity, it's alignment. It's you saying, "This is me, this feels right." And that's where real presence begins. So try this, your color energy practice for the week. This is a simple way to connect with the energy of color in your everyday life. Step 1, morning mood match. When you wake up, pause before getting dressed and ask, what energy do I want to feel today? Maybe it's calm. Maybe it's confident or playful or radiant. Then pick a color that matches that energy. Soft blue for peace, rose for kindness, coral for joy, gold for confidence. You'll start your day with emotional intention, not just outfit coordination. Step 2, surround yourself with color energy. keep small touches of your colors around you. For example, a mug in your season's hue, or a throw pillow in your best green, or maybe even flowers on your desk that make you smile. You'll be amazed how your environment mirrors and supports your energy. 3. Notice how you feel. At the end of the day, check in with yourself. Did the color you wore support your energy or shift it? You'll start to see patterns. That awareness alone begins to strengthen your confidence muscle. So I've got another story for you. Let's call it the red dress moment. One of my clients once told me, I bought a red dress years ago, but I never wore it because I thought it was just too much. After her color consultation, she realized that particular shade of that blue red was her perfect red. A few weeks later, she sent me a picture of her wearing it to a dinner party. Her caption said, I didn't just wear red, I felt red, confident, vibrant, and alive. And that's what I want for you too. Because when you wear what lights you up, you don't just change your look, you change your energy. And that energy, it's contagious. Thank you for joining me for this first episode of Season 2 Beyond the Palette. I hope today reminds you that color isn't decoration, it's communication. It speaks for you before you say a word. So this week, notice what colors lift you up. Wear something that mirrors how you feel, not just what matches your shoes. And if you're ready to discover your personal palette, the colors that bring your energy and beauty into perfect perfection, and you happen to live between Austin and San Antonio, Texas, check out yourbestcolors.net for your own private in-home consultation. Next week, we'll talk about your palette, your power, and how your best colors can help you rediscover your sense of identity and direction. Until then, remember, color is energy, and your energy is beautiful. Keep shining in your true tones.